There you go.
Okay, this is going to drop, back rear is going to come up, so you're going to get tippy. Take it slow. Coming down. There you go, good. Just like that. Come forward. Not so much. Keep coming. Keep coming. Now turn. Turn. Like that. Trying to keep your front over this side, so. Okay. Turn your wheels just a little bit. Good, good, good. That rear is going to come down. It's going to slide again on you. This front can slide off too. Take it slow. Take it slow. Turn your wheels. Good, good. Just right. Perfect. This is what you needed to do.